So, hello everybody and welcome to Learn with Zenith Guru. My name is Pratyaksha and today we will be completing class 9 climate back exercises and audio and all is good. So, let's continue with the back exercises. तो हमारा यहाँ पे जो first question है, it asks which one of the following receives highest रेनफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. हमने पढ़ा था ना ये कि गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया हिल्स फनल शेप हिल होते हैं वो जो कैप्चर कर लेते हैं विंड को एंड इट इज ऑप्शन बी. यहाँ पे नंबरिंग गलत है. ए सी बी डी इट हैज टू बी सी. इट शुड बी ए बी सी डी. एक्चुअली पूरे चैप्टर में ही गलत है बट कोई नहीं. ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर सी. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द अदर वन दैट इज व्हिच वन ऑफ the wind blowing in the northern plains in the summer is called. जो wind, अगर आप नॉर्थ इंडिया से बिलोंग करते हैं तो आप और बेटर जानेंगे कि जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में विंड चलती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं. वी कॉल इट लू. सो अगेन द करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर सी. Monsoon arrives in India approximately in June. 5 जून हमने पढ़ा था ना, उस मैप में भी देखा था कि 5 जून में इट अराइव्स इन केरला. सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली जून तक मॉनसून जो है वो अराइव कर जाता है विद इन इंडिया. Which one of the following characteristics categorizes the cold weather season in India? इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो कोल्ड वेदर सीजन को इंडिया के कैरेक्टराइज करती हैं? वार्म डेज एंड वार्म नाइट्स, वार्म डेज एंड कोल्ड नाइट्स, कूल डेज एंड कोल्ड नाइट्स, कूल डेज एंड वार्म नाइट्स. So the correct answer will be warm days and cold nights. आपने सर्दियों में देखा होगा ना कि दिन में थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी होती है but as you know the night approaches it is very cool at that time. Okay. Now we have the question answers. Answer the following briefly. Okay. So what is our first question? Our first question is, just a second. Okay. Yeah. So we have our questions here and let us start. What are the controls? What are the controls affecting the climate of India? कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो क्लाइमेट को इंडिया के अफेक्ट करती हैं? So the controls affecting the climate of India are latitude, Okay, then we have altitude, and we have pressure and winds. So these are the three controls that you can write. रिलीफ भी आता है, अगर आप चाहें तो रिलीफ भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, now question number 2 is, why does India have a monsoon type of climate? ठीक है, तो इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? The climate of India is categorized as a monsoon type of climate. Monsoon refers to the reversal of season in the wind direction during a year. ठीक है, it has various distinctive seasonal patterns the weather changes a lot from one season to other. They are mostly noticeable in the mainland areas, in the inland areas, whereas coastal areas maintain moderate type of climate throughout the year. The Indian climate depends a lot on the monsoon. Monsoon sets mostly by June and retreats by October, November. So this is why India have a monsoon type of climate. Okay, which part of India does experience the highest diurnal range of temperature and why? Okay, Okay, let's start. The part of India that experiences the highest diurnal range of temperature is northwestern India. The reason is because of the presence of the Thar Desert and no oceans, nearby to moderate the temperature. Okay, now the fourth question is, which winds account for rainfall along the Malabar coast? Okay, so the winds that are responsible for the rainfall in the Malabar coast are the southwest monsoon. Okay, now let's have a look at the fifth question, that is, define monsoons. What do you understand by break in monsoon? The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word Mosin. Okay, break in monsoon are interconnected to the movement of the monsoon trough. Okay, for numerous reasons, the trough and its axis keep on moving southward or northward. Okay, which determines the spatial distribution of rainfall. Whenever the axis shifts closer to the Himalayas, there are long dry spells in the plains. Okay, now let's have a look at the sixth question. Why is monsoon considered a unifying bond? Okay, monsoon has an unifying influence on the Indian subcontinent. Okay, the alteration in seasons wind system and the rhythmic cycle of seasons. Even the uneven and uncertain distribution of rainfall is also a prime characteristic of Indian monsoon. Okay, the monsoon winds unify the entire country by providing water to set the agricultural activities. The river valleys which carry this water also unite as a single river valley. Okay, so we have completed the important 6 questions that we were supposed to write briefly. Okay, we were supposed to write them briefly. Now we'll start with the other questions. That is, why does the rainfall decrease from east to west in northern India? It is a very, very important question. Okay. Why does the rainfall decrease from east to west in northern India? The rainfall decreases as they move in that direction. The wind loses the moisture content. Okay, it results in reduction of moisture. Okay, now what else do we have? We have give reasons as to why. So we have to define the reasons for 5 questions that are given here. So let's start with these now without any further ado. Fine. So you can see the questions. First is seasonal reversal of wind. Reversal of wind direction takes place over the Indian subcontinent. Seasonal reversal of wind directions takes place over the Indian subcontinent. So you will write the seasonal reversal of wind direction takes place over the Indian subcontinent due to following reasons. Reason number 1, pressure differences. And what is this reason number 2? The El Nino effect. Also, causes the seasonal reversal of the wind direction. Okay, so this was first, and let us name them as A and B. Now let's move to the second one. The bulk of rainfall in India is concentrated over a few. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Rainfall is concentrated over a few months because it is dependent on the southwest monsoon winds. It rapidly progresses and covers large swaths of the country by July. Okay, the third question is Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall because you write Tamil Nadu and then because of the northeast monsoon. Okay. The delta region of the eastern coast is frequently struck by cyclones. You write this and then you write because the Bay of Bengal faces frequent pressure changes. Now, parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the leeward side of Western Ghats are drought prone because they fall in the rain shadow region of the Aravalli mountain. Okay, so we have done the question answer, the reasons one. Okay, now we'll continue with describe the regional variations in climate conditions with the help of suitable examples. Okay, so first will be cold season, just a second. Okay, so the cold season begins in mid-November in the northern India and stays till February. December and January are the coldest months. They are the coldest months. The temperature decreases as one moves from south to north. Average temperature in eastern coastal region of Chennai would be 24 to 25 degrees Celsius, while in north it varies up to 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. Days are warm, nights are cold. Okay. Snowfall in Himalayas and frost in plains is common. Okay. Whereas in summer season, Deccan Plateau and northern plains may record temperature up to 42 degrees Celsius, whereas in the peninsular India, due to the presence of oceans, the temperature is moderate. Okay. तो हमने देख लिया कि किस तरह का जो वेरिएशन होता है वो होगा इंडिया की टेम्परेचर में. नाउ we have other question that is given account of weather conditions and characteristics of the cold season. Okay, so let's study about the cold season now. एक्चुअली जो अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा उतना तो आप लिख ही सकते हैं, वहां तक जो भी हमने कोल्ड सीजन का इतना पूरा पढ़ा था. We can copy it and it remains same for this answer कि cold season begins in mid-November in the northern India and stays till February. The coldest month frost in plains is common. उसके आगे हम क्या चीजें ऐड कर सकते हैं वो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दैट कि ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट trade winds prevail over the country. Okay. they blow from land to sea and makes most part of the country dry. Okay? They also give rainfall to Tamil Nadu. Okay? An important feature of cold weather season over the northern plains. Okay? Is the inflow of cyclonic disturbances from the west and the northwest. Okay? The peninsular region does not have a well defined cold. Okay? So we have read about the just a second, please. So we have read about these important questions. Let's have a look at them again. And what does they tell us? That what are the controls affecting the climate of India? Latitude, altitude, and pressure winds. Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Because it is a reversal of seasons in the wind direction, etc. Then which part of India does not experience the high diurnal range? The northwest part. That is the Thar desert, also because it does not have any ocean, so वहाँ का temperature moderate नहीं रहता है. Which winds account for rainfall along the Malabar coast? The southwest monsoon winds. Define monsoon. Break in monsoon क्या होता है? Monsoon जो word है वो Arabic word मौसम से लिया गया है, और break in monsoon क्या होता है? वो interconnected है to the movement of monsoon trough. बहुत सारे रीजंस की वजह से ट्रफ की एक्सिस साउथवर्ड और नॉर्थवर्ड मूव करती रहती है, जिसकी वजह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जैसे आपने देखा होगा ना, 2-3 दिन बारिश होती है, फिर बारिश रुक जाती है, फिर अचानक से एग्जिट. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मूवमेंट. उसके बाद मॉनसून का एक यूनिफाइंग इफेक्ट है इंडिया पे. ठीक है, साइकिल ऑफ सीजन को रेगुलेट करता है इंडियन रेनफॉल के डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में भी. द मॉनसून विंड्स यूनिफाई द एंटायर कंट्री बाय प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर, जिससे इंडिया, क्योंकि एग्रेरियन नेशन है तो खेती हो सकती है. अब देखिए वेस्ट से ईस्ट की तरफ क्यों डिक्रीज होता रहता है इस डायरेक्शन में? क्योंकि मॉइस्चर जो मॉनसून एयर होती है ना, वो लूज करती रहती है मॉइस्चर, और इसीलिए डिक्रीज होती रहती है बारिश. ना रिवर्स सीजनल रिवर्सल क्यों होता है? एक तो प्रेशर डिफरेंस की वजह से, और दूसरा हमारा एल नीनो इफेक्ट की वजह से होता है सीजनल डिफरेंस. उसके बाद रेनफॉल कंसंट्रेटेड होती है, क्योंकि साउथ वेस्ट मॉनसून पे वो डिपेंड करता है, तो वो लार्ज स्वॉचेस कवर करता है कंट्री के जुलाई तक. तमिलनाडु को नॉर्थ ईस्ट मॉनसून विंड से बारिश मिलती है. बे ऑफ बंगाल फ्रीक्वेंट प्रेशर चेंजेस एक्सपीरियंस करता रहता है. और क्यों कुछ पर्टिकुलर रीजंस को बारिश नहीं मिलती? क्योंकि वो अरावली माउंटेन रेंज में लाई करते हैं. उसके बाद I've also done the 2 important brief detailed questions. And with this we'll be ending today's class. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी and thank you for watching.